Hello Gemini, welcome to my channel. This is your November monthly career, business and money reading. These are general readings, so not all messages might resonate. So in this reading, you get to know what opportunities present to you in the month of November in terms of business, job or money situation. Also, what are the obstacles or challenges you could face so that you're ready to boldly face it. So this is based on your sun, moon and Venus rising. I mean sun, moon and Venus rising. Check those videos as well if messages do resonate, Gemini. So let's start, Gemini. Gemini's career, business, money for the month of November. Cards, tarot cards, please guide spiritual life. Gemini's energy for the month of November in career, business, money. One more shuffle, Gemini. Gemini's energy in career, business, money, work situation, Gemini. Okay, so let's start here. 7 of Swords, 3 of Wands, the Death card, 5 of Swords. This is 9 of Wands, 8 of Pentacles, 6 of Swords, 9 of Cups. Overall energy, Gemini, is like you have one, it looks to be a positive thing the whole month, it's like just the first card coming, it is like, you need to be careful. You need to be careful of some sneaky person, of a cheater, of some deceit, of some secret activities that could happen around you. So be careful. This is just a card to guide you, that you need to be careful, that this could be a person, it could be a situation which could, become, it could be an office politics that you are dragged in. Somebody might try to steal your information, somebody might try to tarnish your image, somebody might just pull your leg. So it could be different in your office where somebody could try to sneak into your information, like your project, something. So beware of this. This is what I feel here. Do not share your secrets, do not share your plans with people who do not need it, like only for people who need it. Just do this here. This is the first card, 3 of Wands. So you're waiting. This is a card for expansion, growth. So you have done your work, you have done your project, it's gone, you have appeared for an interview, you're waiting for the results. So you're waiting for the outcome here. So whatever you are looking for business, you are looking for opportunities, you have, and you're waiting to take action here. You doing your work, further action, the next step. So it's like you will be taking some action because you have been waiting, you have done your work, and you are in a position of strength here. This is a card of, where usually this card is like 99% times always, if you have been waiting for a news or something, it's a yes card. 3 of Wands, expansion, growth, traveling card, traveling, national, international. This is what, and it's a card of success. So whatever related to this, if you have appeared for an interview, you will get to hear from them, from your company. If you have, you want a project, you have done your work, so you are waiting for. So it is a yes card 99% of the times. That card, somehow I feel that you need to take care of your health. You need to be, there could be health expenses, monetary. That's what I feel here. Yeah, so this is like some of you could be visiting hospital or some centers, taking care of your health, visiting doctors. This is what I get here. Usually I feel that this is a Scorpio card again. Maybe a person, if you have a friend or family who's a Scorpio, could fall sick, so take care of them, or you will be taking care of your people, who might not be keeping well, to see them. Also take care of yourself. That is what I tell you. And this is like related, expenses related. There could be some expenses related to health, Gemini. The next card is like 5 of Swords. Some person will give you some stress here. in your office. See, you have this sneaky energy, and you will have this five of swords also. So a little stressful situation. There will be, this is somebody who's trying to cheat. This is like somebody who's not cooperating with you. Here, you will know the person. In this case, you might not know. It is a deceit, it is a lie. But in this case, you might know the person. So some person doing cheap work in the sense not doing their work could give you stress in your job. If it's your subordinate or your boss, pulling your leg or giving you targets which are impossible, which could be a cause of stress. This is what I feel. So there is a little stressful situation. Do not feel pessimistic. That's what I feel here. Do not feel pessimistic. Just be diplomatic. It will solve. You don't have to go into war of words or argument. It will happen in workplace. There could be jealousies. There could be somebody seeing your growth could feel jealous of you. So that could also be a reason for intentionally getting into this giving you stress kind of a situation here. But I see you having financial luck. That is what I see here. You will have gains. It looks to be, because 8 of Pentacle card here. You will be working hard. You have been working hard consistently, may I tell you. And this is like success coming in, monetary success coming in, gains coming in. There could be a rise in salary. There could be rise in, you could get money from different sources for which you have been working on. It is yeah, so you could be getting loads of financial luck. That is what I feel here with 9 of Cups ending in November. It's like loads of financial luck, happiness, contentment, partying, get-togethers, meeting friends and family. That you will be doing, working hard as well as partying hard. This is your card again, here. So yeah, the perks could come, a rise in your salary and income, a promotion could come for some of you here for the consistent hard work for. So maybe, if some of you might also be traveling or relocating, and this is gonna be good, work-related travel, you will, for something that you have been, which will lead you to the 9 of Cups. So something you will be leaving, like maybe you will get promoted and you will be asked to shift to a better place or to some other place with a hike in salary, or getting promoted to the next level. It is like this kind. So you're very lucky in this. Some of you really, really lucky. Money from various sources. You need to follow a little spiritual path too. Spiritual growth will help you. Being optimistic here. Being optimistic. So yeah, and also balance your life. Work life, personal life. It will balance you everywhere. Here we can see 9 of Wands. So some of you, still see, it's a Gemini. All of this is like, some of you are still feeling stuck. Some of you have been working hard, but you have still not seen the results. So do not, times are gonna change. See, energies keep moving. For some, these things might just happen in the first week of November. For some, it may go midweek. For some, it may go last. Some energies might just move on to December also. So it's like that. So energies keep moving. It will not be the same for everyone. So some of you still wondering, Gemini getting so much success, why am I still stuck? Still wondering, when is my situation going to change? Regarding if you're in a stuck job or a business or financial, growth not happening. So just wondering, your time is, you're already in the 9 of Wands. You have been bold. You have been standing, against all odds. But times will change. 9 of Wands, it's like changes coming to you. Just be patient. Just maintain your work, and you will see that your wheel of fortune will change for the better in the coming months, Gemini. So just hold on there. This is what I would just say. So you have 8 of Pentacle. Already I told you there are money from different sources, from project, a rise in salary for some of you here, some perks coming, and from the hard work that you have put in here. 8 of Pentacle, anything, if it's you could get money from real estate, stock market, bond share, if you're doing a side business here. This is what I get. Yeah. So, yeah, and from some deals will get you sudden profits. That is what I get here. Overall, this is your energy of the month. So now let me just pull. If we will go to the in-depth reading in the weeklies, every week that I upload. For now, it looks to be great week, a great month, and yeah, I'm just seeing that I do not miss out on anything. Yes, so this is it, Gemini. I'll just pull out an angel guidance card and see what's there, what the angel message is for you here. Dragonfly, live life to the fullest. So this is your card. Live life to the fullest. So enjoy, work hard and party hard. That's what you get, these two cards here. So this is it. If you do like my readings, it resonates with you, please subscribe to my channel, like, comment and share. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.